In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to edit your videos in CapCut as a complete beginner and for free. If you find this video useful, consider to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and let's get into it.
So what you're going to do is, if you don't have CapCut, you're going to head over to Play Store or Apple Store. That's where you're going to download your CapCut. It's free. So when you download, you're going to log in or you're going to sign in. Meaning, if you don't have an account with CapCut, you're going to create your account and sign. After you sign in, you're going to get to your CapCut like this, and it's going to ask you if you can allow it to have access to your gallery. So when you do that, then you are going to see here where it's saying create. So this create button here is the one that's going to take you to selection of your pictures or your videos in your gallery. But in this video, I'm showing you how you can do your editing videos. So when you click on this create here, you are going to go to your gallery. So from your gallery here, you can choose the videos that you want to work on or you want to edit on. So in my case, I'm going to get 2 videos that I'm going to use to edit. So I'll choose this one and I'll choose this one to bring them on my timeline CapCut. So and then I'll say add here. So the videos will come on my timeline. So if you get into CapCut like this, you will see this pointer. If you see this white line here, it's like a pointer where you're going to move it to go to any part of the video that you want to edit, and you're going to select here. So this one is very important because it's going to be moving into the part of the video you want to work on. So I'm going to just put it into the video. Then when you look down on the timeline here, you're going to see a lot of features from edit to whatever thing you want to check here. So you can choose anything that you want to do on your video. You find them on the timeline here. So first thing I want to show you, when you come here, if you want to, for example, if you want to cut out any clip that you want to cut out, what you're going to do is you're going to move at the place where you want to. For example, let me start playing the video, and then I'll say, okay, let me remove this part, or let me do this, something to this part. Maybe I put an overlay, or I do anything that I want to do. Let me show you. So let me play the video.
So I'm recording this video to show you how.
Let me try to cut. So I'm going to just point here with this pointer, and then I'll use this scissors here down. So when I use this scissors down, I'll just click on it like this, and it will bring the things that. So since I want to delete one part of the video, I'll quickly split it first. So I'll click on split here. I'll click on split. So then I'll have one clip here. So if I want to remove this clip, I'll quickly select it like this, and then I'll click delete. So this part is gone. That is how you can remove it. So if you want to go back, maybe you mistakenly deleted it, or maybe the part that you deleted, you didn't want to delete it. I'll quickly click on this arrow here. So I'll quickly click on this arrow like this, and it is undo, if you can see. So the video is back. The video is back here, if you can see. So this is how you can click, or how you can point at your video, part of the video, and you do something to that video. So, and then it will be just going
To learn how to edit videos in.
If you go like at the end of the video and you want to trim it, maybe you want to trim, you don't want to cut it, but you just want to trim. So you're going to select the video, and then you're just going to move. You're going to move it like this. This means the video has been trimmed. I've just shrink the video back to the timeline, or you can undo it, as well. You can just take it back like this, and it's gone back. Or you can click on the same arrow like this to undo whatever that you have done. So that is how you can do this. And then the other thing that I want to show you in this video is, for example, if I want to put some effects on this video. So since I've cut this video, and this video are in 2 parts, I'll select this part, and then I'll go down here. If you can see down here, it is showing the split volume and animation effect. I'll click on effect. maybe I want to change the effect I want to put on this video. Maybe I'll put here. If I want to put any effects on this video, there's a lot of effects. Like there's zoom, there's whatever that you want to put. You just select it. If you can see here, they are paid ones and they are free. So because I'm using the free version, I'm just going to click on the free one, and then I'll just use the free one that is there. So which are the free ones that we have? We have this one, the glitter bag. So I'll just do like this.
So I'm recording this video to show.
The arrow there to show that I've accepted. So let's play the video and see how it's going to, the effect how it's going to show. So the
So I'm
effect,
recording this video to show you how you are going to.
that is the effect. If I want to apply to the other video as well, I'll just select on it. I'll go back to effect. If I want to get another one, I'll get another one, video effect. I can get another one, maybe fade in, or I can get fire explosion, according to how I want my video to look like. So here, I can just select
You
any.
are going to learn how. You are going to learn how to edit.
So again, if you want to undo it, you just quickly go here and undo it. Then I'll go here as well and I undo the glitter box that I put there. So this is how you do it. And then the other thing I want to show you in this video is about the caption. So if you want to put a caption to your videos, you want people to be reading what you are saying in that video, you are going to go down here. You click on your captions. So when you click on your captions, you can see there are a lot of captions which are here. Some of them are free, but since I'm using the free version, I'll just click on the one that I would like, and then it will automatically generate the captions. You don't need to do anything about it. So maybe let's use this one. I'll click on this one and then I'll say generate. It's showing here 13 users per month. So in this free trial, I can use 13 users of the captions. I can choose three of them 13 times. And I'm sure in 1 month, you can't use all the 13. Sometimes you can just use 4 or 5. So you click generate and it's going to automatically generate, as you can see. The captions are being generated, and when it finishes, it's going to appear on your timeline like that. That's how you can see. So let's play it and see how the captions are showing.
So I'm recording this video to show you how you are going to learn how to edit videos in CapCut for free as a beginner.
If you want to, maybe you want to correct something on your spelling, so because it's grammatical captioning, sometimes it will pick your accent or your pronunciation differently. So the only thing that you can do is you can click on the same thing and then you can just click on it, edit. So if you can see down here, the words that I was saying, they are showing here. You can quickly edit maybe a mispronunciation or something, or you can just correct the correct spelling which is there, and then that's how you can. And you can just go on and on and on until you finish all the captions, so that when someone is reading your caption, they are also matching the things that you are saying. They are getting it correctly. That's how you can do your caption if you want to. So I'll just quickly remove my caption because I don't want to use the caption again. And then the other thing I want to show you is on the text. For example, if I want to add text to my video, I'll just click on add text. Maybe I want to put on, let me go back and just put at the beginning of the video a little bit so that maybe I can try to introduce myself. I can just say add text. Then now I can choose any text from here. Most of them are paid, or you can use the free one. So I'll just use the, which one can I use just for me to introduce myself? Which one can I use? Okay, I'll use this wow one. I'll click on it and I'll just say name, and then I'll just try to reduce it a little bit and just bring it here so that when the video is playing and then my name will just pop up like that. Yeah. Okay, I'll put it and then I'll just click on this arrow here and then there. So when the video is playing, you will
So I'm
see the
recording
name
this video to show.
so that it will
So I'm recording this video to show you how you are going to learn how to edit videos.
edit your video in CapCut. So in the next video, I'm going to show you another feature within CapCut because there are a lot of things that you can do in CapCut, a lot of things. And if you have any questions, you can always ask. And I'll create a video for anything that you want to create. So in the next video, I'm going to show you another feature in CapCut that you can use to edit your videos so that your videos can look very interactive and very nice so that people can get attracted to watch them. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.